Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing how to use Fibonacci Retracement tool on TradingView. So when drawing the Fibonacci tool, you want to come up here and press the lowest close point, and then bring it up to the next high there. And you can do this on any time frames. I'm doing this on the 45-minute. You can do it on the daily, hourly, monthly, per minute, up to you. So that is up to you. So the first thing we'll do is make it a little bit more visually appealing. We can remove the levels that are over 1, as these are the most useful levels here, especially this 618 level. Use percentage, so we can toggle off the background to make it a little bit more visually appealing and less cluttered on the screen, especially when we are trading. So you can select any low and any high, and then you will see how the price action interacts with key pivot points here. So as you can see, the most important level that I said was the 61.8% level. As you can see, price will typically go up, hit the top, it will retrace around 60% of the total initial move. So as you can see, this could have been a great trade. Again, it came down here, touched it, a good trade here again. And then again, as you can see, the price is starting to make lower highs. So then that will be a signal that it will go lower. And then it hits here, almost went back down to the lower low close that we based the Fibonacci drawing on. And it went back up to the 38 level, and then went down, hit around the 61-80% mark again, then came down, bounced back off this level, and continued to go down. But as you can see, this tool is very good. It's a very good indicator. It's not always correct, obviously. That's why you need to use it in accordance with other indicators, for such as volume indicators, MACD band, other key pivot areas. So it's not a thing that you use on its own. You must use it in conjunction with other strategies, methods, but it can provide very good pivots and is very useful to be integrated into your own strategy and will potentially help improve your trading. So I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.